For this video, let me explain how to adjust the steering wheel. Before making any adjustments, you should ensure that the seat is in the proper position, allowing your feet to easily reach the brake and accelerate pedals. Next, you can adjust the steering wheel. First, pull up the lock switch on the lower left side of the steering wheel. Then you can move the steering wheel up and down. After adjusting the steering wheel to the appropriate position, press down the lock switch to secure the steering wheel. Of course, from the perspective of driving safety, we recommend positioning the steering wheel as far forward as possible and as low as possible, as this can reduce blind spots in the front view and improve safety.